And welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. In this lesson, I'll show you how to add chords to the chorus of Let It Go from Frozen. So if you don't already know how to play the melody for the chorus, be sure to check out that lesson first. Okay, let's come to the piano and get started. All right, we're going to be reading the chords lead sheet style. So you'll see these capital letters up above the notes. That tells you what chord to play. So you'll see the first chord is C. If it's just capital C, that means C major. But for this song, we're going to be using what's called power chords, where you just play an open fifth. Whatever note you see for the chord, you'll play that plus a note a fifth above. So you can just use finger 5 and finger 1, and that will be your C chord. You'll notice that the three notes, let it go, actually come right before you play that chord. So your right hand will go, let it go, boom, and then you play that chord. The next chord will be a G chord. So let's go down for the G. You could go up, but it's a little bit closer to just shift down to that G chord. Good, so let's try that. Again, 4 beats on each chord. Here we go, start with the C, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next will be an A minor chord, so shift up 1 note, and again, the minor doesn't really matter since we're just using an open fifth. Ready, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, then down to an F chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, then we go to a C chord. So come back to C, a 1, 2, 3, down to a G chord. 1, 2, 3, now an A minor chord. 1, 2, 3, back to F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Okay, now press pause and practice that on your own 2 or 3 times till you feel comfortable counting 1, 2, 3, 4 while you do the chords. Press play when you're ready to try it with me adding the melody. Okay, let's try this out. So you're just doing the left hand and counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 4 beats on each chord. I'll play the right hand along so we hear how it's all going to sound together. Here we go. Remember, I get to start. I'll play Let It Go 1, and then you start. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, let it go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. If you want to try that again, feel free to press pause, rewind, try it as many times as you need. Okay, now we're ready for I Don't Care. This time the left hand also going to start on a C. I don't care what there. Now we go up to an A minor, going to say. And on say it goes down to F. So the same pattern as before. I don't care, go down to G, what they're going to say, down to F. Okay, let's try that together. I'll play the melody and the chords, you just do the chords. Start in C, ready, go. I don't care what they're going to say. Good, now let's keep going. On Let the Storm, on the word storm, you're going to go down to an E minor chord, just 1 step below. Let the storm rage. And then on, we're going to go to an E flat chord. So you're going to just take these 2 white keys and then shift them both to flats. E flat and B flat. E and B, go down to E flat and B flat on the word on. Let the storm rage on. And then on the word cold, you're going to come up 1 step to F. The cold never bothered me anyway. And that's it. You're done. Now, if you want to get more fancy with the chorus, you could do something like pulsing quarter notes. So instead of just playing the chord, each chord once, like I don't care, you could go I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. And to kind of bring the energy back down at the end, you notice I switch back to just playing the chord once. So you can play with the chords and have some fun with it. Okay, now let's try the whole thing together. If you want to just do the chords, that's great. If you've been practicing this for a while and you feel ready to try the right hand and the left hand together, go for it. Okay? But if this is your first time, maybe just do the chords. Let's try through the whole thing. Remember to keep a steady beat and count 4 beats for each chord in this first section. Okay, get ready on the C chord. I'll count 1, 2, 3, and then I'll play Let It Go, and then the first chord comes right after the word go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job learning how to add chords to Let It Go. Now you can really rock out to this song. You know, don't hold it back anymore. Let it go. All right, Disney Princess Power. Have lots of fun playing and see you next time. Who writes these scripts anyways? Oh yeah, I do. Yep, she let it go.